we're in the middle of tax season, and every year I hear people talking about large refund because that's what everyone wants, right? So many people use tax refunds as forced savings accounts. Getting big refunds, it makes people feel good, and they feel that it's a way that they can count on getting a lump sum at a specific time to help pay for all their bills. But when that lump sum doesn't come in, people get upset. Usually when someone is expecting a big refund, that money is spent long before they even receive it. So with all that said, understand this, that your tax refund is just the change that you get back from the government. That's all it is. The government doesn't send you money because they like you. The government sends you back money because you gave them too much to begin with. Let me give an example. Let's imagine this scenario. Picture this. So I'm sitting at Starbucks with my friend, we'll call her Beyonce, and her husband Jay. And we all order a $4 latte. Pretty fancy, right? So we sit down and we all start talking. And Beyonce says that she got $6 in change back. Her husband Jay says, "Wow, honey, you were ripped off. I got $16 back." And I say, "That's strange because they asked me for $1 more." So what happened here? Well, Beyonce gave the cashier a $10 bill for the $4 latte, and so she received $6 back. Her husband Jay, who got $16 back, he gave the cashier $20. And I gave the cashier $3, and she asked me for one more. So whether you get money back or you owe, it depends on what you've already paid in advance. The cost of the latte is still $4 to each of us, no matter how much we gave the cashier. So if the tax on your tax bill is $10,000, then what do you owe? You owe $10,000. Now, if you paid $10,001, then you're going to get a $1 refund. However, if you just paid $9,999, you're going to owe an extra $1. But the bottom line is your tax is your tax. Now, some people, they may have a higher tax liability this year, but they'll get a refund because they paid more in and they'll just get their change back. And others may have a lower tax liability, but will owe more because they shortchanged the government along the way. So I'll say it again. The tax is the tax, regardless of how much you paid in advance. It's that simple. So don't compare your tax return to others if your situations aren't the same. And if you're getting those big refunds each year, all that means is that the government held on to your money for an entire year and didn't pay you one single red cent. So if this sounds familiar to you, then you may need a tax review. Text talktoMarcus to 555-888, and we'll sit down and figure out a way to get more money in your pocket and less in Uncle Sam's.